First of all, thank you for giving an opportunity. Presentation of IoT-based home automation solution. Submission by Abbasuddin Sheikh, final year student of Kollani Government Engineering College. This is a content. C programming IoT by Internet and Thinking, Embedded System and Control System. Project overview and objective and design element and simulation and conclusion. C programming. It is the general purpose language. Even thought it is the apply used effectively and various specific and diamond. First of all, C program is simple act structure file. This is a header file and include studio. It is a preprocessor drive directive and it is main and statement of the programming. This is comment and comment print and hello. This is the statement and return type return in zero program the termination. Next top topic learn in the C data type present. This is a data type data type present character integer float and double modifier and qualifier and conditional and loops and operator array pointer and function storage classes and preprocessor. IoT Internet of Thinking. This collection of collective and network of connected device, the technology that and facilities communication between device over the internet. IoT is system working through that real-time collection and exchange of data. IoT Internet of Things, the application automobile and manufacturing and logistics and transport for business. For example, wearable health monitor, smart car, smart building and home automation. Embedded system. This is embedded system diagram. First of all, sensor. Sensor measure the physical quantity and convert into electrical signal which can be read and observed or by the any electronics instrument. AC to DC converter. This is working and to convert to AC analog signal by the sensor into a digital signal. Processor and XKeys. AISCS. Processor data measure the output and store it to the memory. DC to AC converter. DC to AC converter, the digital data fed by the processor analog data. Digital data to process to analog data. Accumulator. Compare the output given by the AC to DC converter to the actual output is to the approved output. Then a combination of the computer hardware and software designed for the specific function. They are low cost, low power of consume small computer and embedded in others mechanical and electrical device. Generally, they are compare and processors, power supply, memory, and communication port. Embedded system. Embedded system application. Here, Electronics application আছে medical field and application the embedded system, automotive industry, robotic and security system, and telecommunication. Telecommunication. Microcontroller, ADC block and DAC block, timer and counter, PWM processor memory input output port, and microprocessor microcontroller, RAM and it is type RAM and it is type. Overview. This project IoT based home automation solution using Arduino UNO boards and Pixel Lab simulator. Lang IoT application is used control and device remotely. Control the light and temperature of the flow and outflow of the water tank. Objective: connecting the home application to Android by Pixel Lab simulator and integrate and blank IoT using blank cloud. Control light and temperature home to analog control light and control light temperature and home with label tank using mobile apps. Obtain notification about the status home and mobile phones. Why is a home automation? Generally, people who don't stay at a home, home this bring the problem home application not being the monitored. This the solution for this problem to come out to be home automation. Home automation enables people to control the of most devices remotely, such as volume of water in the water tank, garden, light, and temperature of a home. Android radio no UNA at the microcontroller base and on the at mega 328p. It had 40 degrees output input pins present here at 60 megahertz ceramic resonator USB cable connection, power jack and header and the reset button. It can be programmed using integrated developer environment and it use this project. IoT support C and C++. PCML open the source and real-time emulator of the development and board with integrated MP Labs debugger. It is support PixSim and microcontroller and microcontroller. It is an integrated Android program and microcontroller. Blank IoT application configuration. This is blank. This IoT application configuration. Dark detect light dependent register. Light dependent register is a sensor is a light detect sensor and detect the light that fell upon it. The photoresistor is light and control the variable resistor and resistance of the photoresistor decrease the increasing incident light intensity. The light are connected up to the LDR by an ADC. An ADC converter to analog to input by the LDR into the equivalent digital from the converter and the later in the formula from 0 to 255 and upon bound base into we glow the LED. Garden light control. The properties of the property of DRD and sensor apply the accomplish and control the garden light. During the during the days of outdoor indoor maximum, so a LDR sensor detect light and garden light and turn off. Whereas at a night and control our outdoors and light very low sensor and detect the light the turn on. Temperature sensor. The temperature is a recording using a LM35 sensor which is the analog value, and the value is the convert into binary value, and lateral actual temperature is calculated using obtained value of the voltage. The sensor does not require any external collaboration or trimming to the provide the accuracy plus minus 0.05 0.5 degrees Celsius at a room temperature degree Celsius convert to minus 50 temperature range. The output scalar factor of the LM25 instant provide output 250 at a temperature and control system. The temperature control system consists of heading toy resistor, element 35 and temperature sensor at a color. Analog value temperature obtained from the temperature sensor LM35 and display it on the CLCD after the converting into the digital value of the ADC. The control system control the temperature of the system by the turn on of the header and color through the blank mobiles apps. Water tank inlet and outlet value control. Read the volume. Water tank control serial communication and display it on the CLCD. Control the value of the waters in the tank by the controlling intel inlet and outlet of value of the sending command through the serial communication display volume of water tank CLCD and also bank IoT app. The tank and the refills is when zone outflow of the threshold of the minimum value of the 200 to 1000 liters and stop file the when tank is full 300 liters notification blank IoT apps. This is a working image conclusion. It is summary this project provide the solution monitoring and controlling home appliance and certain device remotely. Using blank IoT application and Pixman Lab simulator home automated project simulated and LED temperature system serial tank and reachable light heater and color and water tank real time blank IoT application using user to control the device and control user voice to accomplish home automation. Thank you.